always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. Fox has the number wheel set up. Let's see what today's number will be.
I'm ready, Mr. Goose. Here we go. Today's special number is 7. Okay, Hedgehog, show me the card with the number 7 on it. I bet I can find it. Oh, there it is. Now let's flip the card over and count how many ducks there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many in all?
7. Hedgehog, you win! Yay, what do I win? 7 silly duck sounds! Quack, quack, quack! Quack, quack, quack! Quack! Let's pretend to be ducks!
Today's number is 7. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's count together.
7.
There are 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many apples in all?
7.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
Let's count Wigglebugs together. 7. There are 7 Wigglebugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many Wigglebugs in all? 7. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture. Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 7. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 7 times. Clap 7 times. Nod 7 times. Point 7 times. March 7 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called I Don't Want to Go to Sleep. Let's find out what happens. Let's begin. I Don't Want to Go to Sleep. Written by Sarah McGregor, illustrated by Subi Bosa, designed by Alexia Grief. Good night, Nandi. I don't want to go to sleep. That's enough now. Good night, Nandi. I don't want to go to sleep. Good night, Nandi. I want more supper. Another book. Just one more song. I don't want to go to sleep. Mama, I need a glass of water. Please? Please? It's time to go to sleep now. Good night, Nandi. I don't want to go to sleep. Mama sighs. What about an adventure? Do you want an adventure? Yes. Do you want to creep through the jungle on the trail of the fearsome hippocrocket turtle duck? Yes, yes, yes! I want to fly across the sky, leap from star to star, fill my pockets with stardust. I want a Nandi-sized glass submarine to see the creatures at the bottom of the ocean, and a pet giant squid to do water ballet there with me. I want to build myself a pair of butterfly wings and zoom to the roof of the sky where I'll see all the world and everything in it. Look here, Nandi. Here is your very own adventure boat. It's waiting to take you wherever you want to go. See, put your head here. That's right. And I'll just tuck you in. There we go. Now, off you go. Adventure awaits. Good night, Nandi. What are your dreams? The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog! Why are we meeting at the farm?
That's a good question. Today's song is called Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Now, who remembers what this is called?
A banjo!
That's right! I'll sing first and then you can join in. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now then, Fox, how about you pick the next animal? Everybody sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, Hedgehog, you choose the next animal.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here, baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, Pig, ready to choose an animal?
Yeah!
Great! Let's all sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm he had a horse.
E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here, neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Ba-ba here, ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Mr. Frog, I know another animal on the farm.
What's that?
Me! A monkey!
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
I'm crunching leaves, but only pink leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Which poodle is pink? There it is! Pink poodle. Which dress is pink? There it is! Pink dress. Which umbrella is pink? There it is! Pink umbrella. Which yarn is pink? There it is! Pink yarn. Sensational!
Peekaboo! I see you! Peekaboo! I see you! Peekaboo! 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 Now, where did you go? Oh, there you are! I'm glad we saw each other today. See you!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle